So we made it to Speedsportz Racing Park in Houston. I'm really stoked. Danny actually has school until 12:30, so it looks like I have the vet until 12:30. So I'll sneak out there and get some seat time in. Oh dang! I've been wondering when that thing's gonna start showing up. One of the old Team Orange R33s just showed up, which is super cool. But yeah, I'm waiting on Connor to get back from the gas station, and then I'm going to swap on the tires for Muscleman that we still haven't finished off, and probably go drive some laps, hopefully get some spectators in the passenger seat and make some money for the trip. But yeah, welcome to wonderful Speedsportz Racing Park. Look at Danny in here.
What? I don't know. You probably.
Hello.
But I think it'll be. I think it'll be
like
okay.
this, bro.
Sorry, that means.
Well, you only got like,
Two more hours.
2 more hours.
3 more hours, whatever.
I get the vet for 2 hours. I'm not complaining.
It's all yours.
We're about to go out. Connor and I are gonna go warm up. Got to do like quite a few laps and get the diff warmed up. Connor's got to warm up his Trans Am diff.
You're gonna drive through, right?
What do you mean?
You gotta drive through a few laps, huh?
Yeah, I got to do quite a few laps.
Alright, I'll just follow you.
Sounds good. You ready? Go. All right, I'm riding with Danny real quick. Just gonna go out for a couple laps, give him a couple little pointers and stuff, because I went out first. And then probably hop out. I need to get some drone shots, so. Oh yeah. Should be fun. Let's go, Masker. Let's push fielding all the way back. Hopped in the car, Dad.
Hopped in the car, Dad.
Hopped in the car, Dad. Gonna go do some rips, some fat rips.
We're gonna fucking rip it, man.
See if Connor's car doesn't just look good if it runs good.
It probably won't.
He's been chasing down some issues with it today, but he's gonna go test it out.
Good or it runs good.
One or the other.
No in between.
So the challenge of this event is to make a fan happy, and I almost got ran over. That's sick. But Zinnia right here is a fan of me and Danny.
Biggest fan of you and Danny.
And we're gonna make you happy.
Yay.
So first step, get in the Corvette.
Good. You like Corvettes?
Yeah, get in the Corvette. Go on. Get in
Oh,
the... Okay, step 2, we're gonna go inside of this wonderful 7-Eleven and buy you all the snacks you want.
Snacks.
All right, so what all you got?
Oreo minis, a snickerdoodle cookie, and my cold organic pressed juice.
Okay, all right, now back to the track for step 3.
3.
The final step, question mark?
Going in the drift car.
Going in the drift car.
Look at these slicks.
Solid. Solid. That is perfect. We got all the money's worth out of that.
Oh yeah.
All right, Zinnia, you ready?
So ready.
What do you think? Did you have fun?
Fun.
You got
Super fun.
you got
to
snacks?
Snacks. Gas station.
Got a drift?
Went in the drift car. Went on track.
Followed Colette.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Best fan experience.
Well, it was a rad day at Speedsportz, man. Today was super fun. The day's over. I'm on my way to my good buddy Will Parsons' house to store the truck and trailer for the rest of Drift Week, which I'm super excited for because, man, it's just not the same driving in a truck and trailer as like driving the race car everywhere. So Danny is probably gonna end up in the passenger seat to get him out because I'm a little road trip warrior and I really like driving that thing. So hopefully I'll just be driving the shit out of it on the street, just cruising 85 miles per hour, 80 miles per hour, 2,000 RPM, just chilling.